Lexus makes the F Sport trim more widely available on the IS for 2024. For the first time, the base 4-cylinder IS 300 can be had as an F Sport. For those primarily interested in sporty looks, the F Sport design trim level skips the mechanical upgrades but retains the appearance enhancements. The IS 350 adds a blackout package which includes dark chrome trim, black exterior mirrors, and matte black wheels, along with the contents of the memory package and the F Sport handling package. The IS 500 introduces a new special appearance package featuring an eye-catching blue vector exterior, blue contrast stitching on the black faux leather interior, matte black 19-inch split-spoke wheels, and a smart access card key. Incognito is a new exterior color available for both the IS 500 and IS 350. The price of the 2024 Lexus starts at $41,135 and goes up to $64,520 depending on the trim and options. The 2024 IS offers 3 engine options: a 241 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder in the IS 300, a 311 HP V6 in the IS 350, and a 472 HP V8 in the IS 500. The IS 300 and IS 350 are available with all-wheel drive, while the IS 500 is rear-wheel drive only. We would skip the 4-cylinder IS 300 as this engine lacks the performance to complement the car's athletic chassis and refined upscale personality. Upgrading to the V6 allows the IS to shine. In our tests, a rear-wheel drive IS 350 F Sport achieved a brisk 5.6 second 0-60 mph time, which is average for this swift class. The V8-powered IS 500 model is the ultimate IS, recording a 4.3 second 0-60 mph time at our test track. Although this places the IS 500 behind rival super sedans such as the Cadillac CT4 Vibe Blackwing, BMW M3, and Mercedes-AMG C63 SE Performance, the top-tier Lexus is less intense compared to the Germans, and its naturally aspirated V8 is a class exclusive. The compact rear-wheel drive IS is not as spacious as the similarly priced front-wheel drive ES sedan, so don't expect tall adults to fit comfortably in the back. Additionally, there's limited storage space up front. Your cell phone will either be in the cup holder or the small bin under the center armrest, where the power outlets are located. However, everything you see and touch is befitting of a Lexus. Standard features include power front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and push-button start, while a power sunroof is optional. The faux leather feels as soft as the real thing. An 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard, while a larger 10.3-inch display is optional and includes in-dash navigation. Both displays use a console-mounted touchpad, which is somewhat unconventional, but we're pleased to see that volume and tuning knobs are still present. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa are compatible with both systems. As in the previous generation IS, a Mark Levinson premium stereo system is available as an option, but this time it features 17 speakers and 1,800 watts of power. Dear viewers, we ask you to subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and give feedback so that these types of videos are broadcasted on our channel more often. Thank you for your support to our channel.